In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an A3 size in Canva. If you're creating posters, menus, or prints, and you want a crisp, large canvas, A3 is a great choice. A3 refers to the standard paper size that measures 297 by 420 millimeters, which gives you plenty of space to design with clarity and impact. Canva makes this setup quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you're ready to start designing right away. Begin on the main dashboard, also known as your home screen in Canva. This is the page you see after you open Canva, where your recent designs and recommended templates are displayed. From here, look to the top of the page for the Create button. Depending on your view, it might read Create a Design, and it's typically near the upper right. Click that button to open Canva's design picker. After clicking Create, you'll see a search bar appear within the design picker. In that search bar, type A3. As you type, Canva will suggest preset sizes and formats that match your search. Among the results, you'll see an option labeled A3 Portrait. That's the tall, vertical version of A3, which is perfect for posters and print layouts that are taller than they are wide. Go ahead and click A3 Portrait. The moment you click, Canva will generate a new design file at the exact A3 portrait dimensions, and your blank canvas will open in the editor. From here, you can do whatever you want with your design. If you'd like a head start, explore the Templates tab on the left to find layouts built for posters or flyers, then customize the text, colors, and images. If you prefer to build from scratch, use the Elements panel for shapes, lines, and graphics, and the Text tool to add headings and body copy. Keep an eye on spacing and contrast so your content is easy to read at A3 scale. If you're planning to print, leave some margin around the edges to avoid trimming important details. You can also use high-resolution images to ensure your final print looks sharp. And that's all there is to it. Start on the main dashboard, click the Create button at the top, search for A3 in the search bar, select A3 Portrait, and Canva will create your A3 size design instantly. Now you're ready to bring your ideas to life on a full A3 canvas.